Radioman has the opportunity to let people know what's inside of the minds of the people that we farm out the wars to.
Radioman is centered with how soldiers come home from war and how they fit into society or not, and how they find that redemption or that salvation or that, ability to find themselves again.
Hearing these stories, people will be able to connect, even if they haven't served or have a history of military in their family like myself. I think it's about human stories that need to be heard.
We're a nation that is probably one of the best or the best in creating a warrior. We've been doing it for years. We do it very well. We create these people that can go in and do amazing things. But as far as helping them come back, breaks my heart when I see some guy sitting in the sign, veteran, can you help me? Like that should not be happening. The more we can share their stories, the more people can feel what they've been through.
To really ask what our relationship to war is and what the effect of war is on people.
I cannot remember a time in my life when there was not war. There's never been a period in my life where this wasn't happening. So as long as human beings we choose to do this, then there should be plays like this.
Like a swarm of flies. Here come our cobra, we buried our faces in dirt. Death came screaming in, we waited for cannons to blurt.